Hi friends, I am Shrinu. So I want to deliver some lectures on CSR topics and GATE topics regarding previous questions, all those things from physical chemistry. I am doing physical chemistry right now. So first of all, we will discuss what is Maxwell relations and how to write Maxwell relations and how to write Maxwell equations. So first of all, I am telling that thermodynamics. So in thermodynamics, Maxwell relations, right? How to write Maxwell relations? So Maxwell relations. So just remember, friends. So you need to remember only few terms. So that is what SPTV and HGAU, right? So if you remember these two terms, so first of all, I am telling that you have to write square box. So in that you start with S, then after P, then T, then what? V, right? So what is in between there? H, G, A, and U. So from this you need to write like this. So just remember, friends, where the arrow is ends, just keep negative symbol here and keep negative symbol here. So now I am writing for first of all thermodynamic relations of GH, enthalpy I am writing. So that is what DH. So just listen, friends. So how I am telling, so H is in between S and P. Just you write DS and DP as it is. So where S goes to T. So just TDS, then where P goes to V. So just keep here no positive and so here no negative symbols, just keep plus. So hence it is one relation, that is what DH is equal to TDS plus VDP. So we will go for second relation, that is DG is equal to, so where it is in between the DP and DT, right? So I am writing DP and so T contains a negative symbol, right? DP and DT, right? So from P where it is goes to V, right? Then what is where it is T goes to S. So DG is equal to VDP minus SDT. So you have one doubt regarding that. G is in between P and T, right? So just DP and DT. So T contains a negative, just keep negative starting only. After that, no need to take again negative. Just so P comes from B and T comes from S. That is enough. No need to write negative symbols. So after that, so I am telling that for A, right? So just remember. So dA is in between what? Minus dV, then minus dt, right? Minus dt. So this is okay, fine. So where is this V from P? Where is this T from S? So minus SDT. So this is the third relation I am writing. So one more relation we have. What is the du, right? Du is equal to what? So it is in between S and what? Minus V, right? That minus dV I am writing, right? Fine. So where is S from T and where is V from P? Just like this you need to remember. So all these are the Maxwell equations. So now we will write how to write Maxwell equation relations. So just I am taking one example for this. That is what? So DH is equal to TDS plus VDP. My trick is if you will write cross symbol, right? So where you are starting 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, right? You are starting 1, 2, then 3, 4. So just you remember 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So no need to take this term, only put keep symbol that is equal to. So that is what? First 1. 1 is what? All you need to remember. So write in differential form only. So T is what? Dou T. So 4 is what? Dou P. Dou T by dou P. Yet remaining part is what? S. So plus is symbol. So both sides plus. So no need to put plus again. So negative. What is the third? D3. So that is what? Dou V by. So what? 2. 2 is what? Dou S. Simply is in presence of V. So this is first relation. So that is Maxwell equation 1. Just remember, friends. Otherwise you need a simple trick. Somebody's they are going to they need not to remember like this. So just if you whoever confused, if you wanted to directly, if you wanted to write directly Maxwell relation, we can write directly. So no need to trick. So this trick is for only who are not comfortable to remember this like. So this I am writing, this is T, right? Dou T is equal to I am keeping T. So dou T by dou P at what? S. And what next? This is V. So dou V by dou S at remaining what? P. So this I am telling only trick, not equation how to remember, right? So second, if you will write dg is equal to vdp minus sdt. So according to my formula is what, friends? So that is what v is first, dou v by, so fourth term is 1 2 3 4, right? Is equal to, you need to keep, so dou v by what? Dou t at what? Remaining is p. Then put minus symbol as it is. So third term is what? Dou s by, and the second term is what? Dou p. Remaining is what? T. So this is a one more Maxwell equation. I am going to write another equation is what? dA is equal minus pdv minus sdt. Already we know that, right? Put minus symbol, right? So 1 2 3 4. Our trick is what? So 1, what is what? Dou p by dou t at what is that? V. And one more thing is what? Minus dou s by, second term is what? Dou v by, at remaining is what? So just simple, this is minus minus cancel. So you will get dou p by, this is the one more Maxwell relation. And one another Maxwell relation is what? dU is equal TdS minus PdV. So just remember friends, 1 2 3 4, right? So already we know that 1 by 4 is what? Dou t by dou v at s is equal to what? Minus dou p by dou s at v. So these are the 4 Maxwell relations. Now I wanted to tell that, so what is the spontaneity process and how to remember the spontaneity values from these equations. So just remember friends, for entropy only, that is what? ds. So entropy is for greater than 0 for spontaneous process. Just remember, for spontaneous process entropy is greater than 0. The remaining all process what? dA, that is Helmholtz free energy less than 0, and dg is free energy less than 0, and internal energy, sometimes you can write ERU. So du is less than 0. This is for spontaneity process. So the remaining for non-spontaneous process, what is? Just exactly opposite. So for non-spontaneous process we can write ds is less than 0. So just it is reverse. So that is what? dA is greater than 0, dg is less than greater than 0, and du is greater than 0. Just reverse. For equilibrium process, that is equal to. So sometimes if it is given ds is greater than or equal to 0 means what? So it is spontaneous process and equilibrium process. So we will write what are the constants for this. In a GATE exams they will ask the constants is that. What is that? If you write all equations, du is equal to what? TdS minus PdV. dg is equal to what? VdP minus SdT. dA is what? Minus PdV minus SdT. Then dH is what? TdS plus VdP, right? So is this fine? Just for spontaneous, for only entropy is greater than 0, the remaining all parts are less than 0, right? So for spontaneous processes condition is what? du is greater than less than 0, and dg is less than 0, dA is less than 0, dH is less than 0. Just remember friends, no need to go for all those things, just wherever the differential symbols are there, so those are the constants. S comma V are the constant for this. So P comma T or T comma P, both are same. Then dA is what? V comma T is constant. H is what? S comma P is constant. So only the term is entropy, right? That is ds. ds is what? U comma V are constant for greater than 0. Just you need to remember only this UV constants. So just in our spectroscopy this is UV, right? So just simple remember for remembering, just simple it is UV. You need to remember. So we will discuss. So this is the criteria for spontaneity. So these questions are asked in the GATE exams. So friends, we will our next video we will discuss about the applications of this Maxwell relations. So we will see. I hope that it will understand to you. So all the best.